Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to set any song as a ringtone on your Android. And trust me, it's very easy and simple. There's nothing complicated. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. And let's move on point how to do it. First let's open settings from here. First make sure you downloaded some song from YouTube or from somewhere, and then search in settings for ringtones. Yeah, from here. Actually, yeah, as you can see, I can put the default ringtones, but don't put them. Just click on our ringtones, or just find a way how to see all the ringtones that your phone affords you. So here, click on choose local ringtone, and as you can see, I can choose from three prices. Music, as you can see, I don't have any music in my phone because I got a new phone. File manager, recorder, yeah, as you can see, you can put a recorder, something that you record whatever, and from file manager. And as you can see, I've downloaded this confidence original video, and let me put it. And yeah, now my ringtone will be Coffin Dance original video. Coffin Dance. So yep, that's it how to set any song as a ringtone on Android. Just you need to download the song, and that's it, and then set up it. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be ashamed or don't be hesitate to leave your questions or problems down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.